Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this particular one from Nuana. This is called Vanilla Night from Nuana, House of Luxury. Word Nuana is derived from Sanskrit words. So it is kind of like an amalgam of new plus Nirvana. So I really like how it is derived from, Sanskrit roots and just has this very nice Indian origin to it. And that explains this one is an Indian brand which believes in like minimal and clean ingredients. So in today's market, most of the perfume brands where they are focusing on like projection and longevity, and they are achieving that by using very harsh, skin unfriendly chemicals. Nuana, on the other hand, is providing the similar luxury, the similar performance, but with clean ingredients. They do not use harmful chemicals. They are free of phthalates, parabens, artificial colorants, and artificial dyes. That is what makes Nuana literally luxurious, but also at an affordable price point. Let's jump into a full-blown review of this particular variant, which is Vanilla Night from Nuana. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So this is how the box looks like, and this cardboard box has details in matte black and some rose gold detailing going on there. And as I mentioned, they have mentioned that they are derived from Sanskrit roots. So Nuana becomes like one of their quite rituals. And behind you have all the other details about the brand, manufacturing, pricing, and all of that. This perfume bottle is a 100 ml bottle, which is MRP is 2000 around. This is at 40% off, so best time to go and grab it. When you open this cardboard box, then you have this tin box, which is kind of, it is reusable, and you can either store your perfume bottle in it, or you can store some stationery or other things. So this is something which is reusable, don't have to really throw it, and everything is recyclable. So this is like a good concept where you can reuse the box. And then here is your bottle. Now the bottle has a nice sticker on it where all the details are mentioned. This beautiful golden rim running with texture on it, and then a textured cap which is black. I love the minimal clean packaging that this one has. It looks luxurious, the cap is very well fit, and the bottle looks luxurious, and it's very classy, it's very elegant to look at. So overall, love the packaging. Now let's see, the atomizer is also golden in color, sprays the product really well. See the mist, how it diffuses, spreads the product really well, and so is the scent profile. This is gorgeous, creamy, sweet, mature, woody, cozy vanilla. The notes breakdown are pear, pink pepper, orange blossom, coffee, jasmine, bitter almond, and licorice, and base notes of vanilla, patchouli, cashmere and wood, and cedar. This perfume is literally for those who are kind of seeking that sophisticated, mature, gourmand vanilla scent, which is appropriate for like nighttime wear or evening wear. I can literally imagine somebody going on a date wearing a black dress, red lip, feeling sophisticated, feeling very beautiful and seductive, and she's just enjoying a very cozy conversation with her partner, hands in hands, eye contact, flirty, and just the best dinner date ever, with drinks and yummy food. That's the exact vibe that I get when I sniff this. Now, I would say that this is a very balanced sort of a vanilla, because it just has a lot of elements enwrapping it. Like if you see, it has a very crisp opening of like pink pepper meeting with pear and orange blossom, then hints of licorice, some sweetness adding on in the heart notes, meeting up with some coffee elements, so sort of light floral, kind of like coffee-esque vanillic fragrance. Now this one does kind of remind me ever so slightly of YSL Black Opium, but I find this to be much more enhanced, much more denser than what YSL Black Opium is. So this kind of vanilla is something that I find to be, universally flattering and can be used all year around. Especially during evening and nighttime, this is going to do very well. In winters, during daytime, this really shines. I love myself a cozy vanilla fragrance, and this one is just doing that. Also, the performance is amazing on this one. I get about 8 to 10 hours of longevity with a projection and sillage of being moderate to loud. Number of sprays will determine, how the projection is going to be. Now, I have also done some stress testing on it because I kind of went outside for an event, and it was like an open ground area. I wore this and I was performing on stage, and when I got down, somebody came to me and they were like, you are smelling so good. Like, even when you're performing on stage, we are like standing far and we can still get a wisp of your perfume. It is this strong. So I was very happy because in open arena, something like this happening is very rare. Okay, so I was very happy with the way it performed. So I was like, okay, chalo, found some vanilla which actually performs like bomb. So I'm really happy with this vanillic fragrance. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. I love everything about this. In fact, it's a 20 out of 10 for me. It's a clean, minimal brand which is very conscious of what ingredients they are putting in here, making it skin friendly. And also, this is produced in India, so it's under this strict quality controls and manufactured in India and reusable packaging, and so this gets a 20 out of 10. So that's about it. That's everything for Vanilla Night from Nuana. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you got a good option under 2000 rupees to get yourself a good vanillic fragrance. Go and check out their website. It's nuanaluxury.com, and you can see all the collection of perfumes that they have. My interest is also peaked in this brand now because clean fragrances are very hard to find at this price point. So I'm intrigued. I definitely want to try more fragrances for them. Do let me know if you have some suggestions. You have tried their fragrances and you want to recommend something to me. Do let me know in the comments section. Let's make that area chatty, and I'm definitely going to give this a try, whatever your suggestions are or your recommendations are. So keep them coming. Please make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, hit the bell notification, you follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.